Lesson number 6. Cover the importance of operation strategy and bolstering a company's overarching strategic direction in the hotel and tourist sector. The lesson made it clear that operation strategy is created subsequent to more comprehensiveness and business plan, guaranteeing an efficient resource allocation to accomplish organizational objective. Lesson 7. We discovered that in order to guarantee a constant degree of excellence, quality management essentials comprising tax and operation, in addition to creating and putting into a practice procedures for quality planning and assurance control and improvements. The class stress and the significance of adopting a quality policy. Lesson number 8 taught us that managers who are able to use budgets and instruments for departmental and individual success are successful. In today's corporate environment, the three main phases of budgeting, preparation, writing, and monitoring were explained in a guide in a straightforward and useful manner. We were given a thorough explanation of these phases which made it clear to use how they help produce precise and practical budget. Lesson number 10. Workplace effectiveness and efficiency introduction. In order to achieve organizational success, efficiency and effectiveness are essential ideas. They are essential to strategic decision making and quality enhancement. The destruction of the significance of business process. Lesson number 11. Operation of the supply chain. Managing the flow of product, information, and service from raw materials to fine items that are delivered to customer is a focus supply chain operations. Lesson 12. Here as a given data. Overview of sales and sales performance. Number 1. Transaction. In a sale, a transaction is when a buyer and a seller trade assets, product, or service for a cash. Number 2. Management of sales performance. SPM concentrates on keeping an eye on and assisting salespeople to improve their capacity to market goods and service.